and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we got one from China, made in Inner Mongolia and found at a 99 Ranch Market in Edmonds, Washington. This is Little Sheep with their signature soup noodle. This one's got some weird cooking instructions. I've never seen anything like this. So what you do is you boil the noodle for 4 minutes, then you drain it, then you put in new water and boil it for 2 minutes once it comes to a boil. It's a weird deal, but the weird part is you got these 2 oil sachets and you put the oil in with it and then you drain it. So that's odd. I really don't understand, but they gotta have a reason. So I'm beholden, excuse me, to the manufacturer's directions. It feels like it's possibly a incorrect translation, but I don't know. So come over here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the noodles in. Oh crud, come on. Did I get the whole thing out? I hope so. I don't really want to boil plastic. Let's make sure if I didn't. Really? They're gonna boil for that long? It feels like they're already on the... They just like went... Okay, and then we put the oil in. So while this is doing, we're gonna play some video game. And I got one picked out, something really old. So I'll let you check that out. So I'm now really heavily weighing the idea of putting these shows on TikTok, because I found out I'm like totally behind the times on knowing a lot of stuff about a lot of more recent advents in the world of social media. I apologize for that, but apparently there's a web interface for TikTok and I can just upload junk straight to it. I don't know if there's a limit though of how long an episode can be, and I'm not gonna sit there and edit every single episode. Screw that. So. But anyways, let's go play some vidya. Let's go be vidiots. You may not have seen the episode where I displayed it, but I've crafted a cabinet. Look, it's got a marquee and everything. Let's see if we can do this. Now the question is if I can stand to the side enough so you can see what's going on. Yeah, that'll work. In fact, you can even go over that way a little bit. Look at that. Neato. Well, let's play. Yeah, this is, what is it called? I don't know. This Phoenix? Oh no, this is Tron. This won't go well. See, I suck at Tron. Enter the fighting circle before time expires. Whoa, crap. Whoa, buddy. Run, dude! Do I have... Oh, I can shoot things. And I'm dead. Let's try that one again. Enter flashing circle. I did it! I did it! Oh my god! I did it! Okay, let's try the light cycles again. Put some more coins in there. Ah, come on. Yeah, jerkwad. Oh, crap. Dude. I thought I had something going on there. Can I... What about this one? Destroy all enemy tanks. Oh, God. I think... Yeah, this is just isn't gonna happen, folks. I'll save you the pain of that. There was another one though. There was this neat vector game. Did I start the timer? Yeah, I did. It's almost done. Well, let's find that. Let's play Warp, whatever that is. What I really want to do is I want to get the, I've got a Raspberry Pi, and I want to get a Raspberry Pi. Whoa. Come on, Warp. Oh, God. Oh. See, folks, this is why I'm not a professional video game player. I like playing the games. What's this one? This Weltress. Oh, Saved by the Bell. Here, let's zoom back out. Yeah, so that's pretty embarrassing. I just really suck at video games, but I have fun. See, that's the thing. I know plenty of people who jump up and down and flip out and just like get miserable when they're playing games, and it's just like they're for having fun. If you're not gonna have fun, what's the point? You're not playing, you're torturing yourself. But that's the nice thing. There's like 4,000 games. Why am I, dude? But yeah, I like to enjoy mine itself. Okay. So, ow! I'm burning myself. 550 of the water. So we're gonna put that on. So this is where it gets kind of weird. It says, so you boil the noodles for 4 minutes and then drain them. And then do the 550 to the, add another 550 to 600 mils of water into the pot, along with the remaining pouches. I see, that's the thing. I can't tell. Are you supposed to... I'm just going to throw it in. It sounds like that's what I am to do. So we're putting the water in there. Whoa! I really think that this is all just like jacked up. But it says add the remaining pouches. This is like a big freaking powder pouch. I think today I'm going to take my boy out for a stroll at the Swamp Creek Park. That is a lot of powder, but I don't know why it smells like that. There's the powder. Then we've got a sachet of something else. This looks to be vegetable because it has pictures of vegetable. But it says add the remaining sachets in. Vegetable. And once it gets to a boil, 2 minutes, and then we're done. What's in here? Is this the goji berry? Because I saw it mentioned in goji berry. That's my guess. How weird. I really don't know what else to add to this. I was thinking some chashu, but what's funny is if you look at the picture on here, see the bowl? I hope you can. I don't have my monitor next to me. But look, I have that bowl. Certainly looks like it. Yeah, so keeping it on the reel. So yeah, let me get my monitor. Oh yeah, have you been able to see anything other than me? Yeah, I don't know, but there's our 2 minutes. It's starting to come to a boil. We are at nominal. Beautiful. Alright. Yeah, I have, it's their signature noodle, folks. They signed it. They signed off on it. So we'll see how it goes. But yeah, the video game machine is fun. My wife and I worked on that project quite a bit in the last while, and yeah, it's looking pretty good, huh? I guess there's a thing you can, like, a thing with the controllers in the front that you can put a Raspberry Pi in, and there's so many of these, like, huge ROMs or images. Like, you can put a 128 gig, a 400 gig image just with, like, every single arcade game you could imagine into it. And then it's just got the sticks and everything's all set up, and you just wire the monitor in and blah, blah, blah. But I need one of those, and I need a better Raspberry Pi because mine's a 2B. I'd rather get like a 3 or a 4 for that. And I guess the 5 is coming out next year, so maybe I'll wait around till next year. I hate waiting for things though. But instead of doing that right away, I decided to opt for a new NVMe drive for the computer because the old one seems to be very, very on its last legs. And my guess is that there was no cooling for that thing, so I could be wrong, but we will see once I get the stuff to put it together tomorrow. Tomorrow is the day. Good morning. Hey. It's 9:50 a.m. on August 1st, 2023. And my son Miles is turning 8 this month. My daughter will be turning 7 in December. But yeah, we're closing in on the only a month left until school starts. Oh my God. Yeah, I won't be doing this. You won't be seeing me doing any reviews at that point. I'll probably be on hiatus from doing reviews until Christmas break. Yeah. Or, I'm sorry, winter break. I don't know. I might be an atheist, but I do enjoy Christmas just like everyone else. And I do know the reason for Christmas. So. Atheists shouldn't celebrate Christmas. Why? I like Christmas. I like giving my loved ones gifts and receiving them in turn. Actually, I like giving gifts way more than I like receiving them these days. Which, when I was a kid, was the absolute opposite. Definitely the opposite. Alright, it's done. What do we have here? With all that effort, which really wasn't much effort, it better be good. This looks signature soup. Okay. It's got a lot of goji berries, that's for sure. or Noodle? Got a Noodle. Where's our broth? It smells like burnt. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I really don't like that. That's rather off-putting. I wouldn't sign my name to that. Wow. That's general. That's something I dislike. Oh. No, not something I would go like, "Hey man, I tried something today. You should try it." No, that's not what I'm saying about this one. And I really don't know what a proper garnish for this would be. I know where it's gonna go. Yeah, you do too, don't you? I guess. Yeah. And I suppose. Sure. Not thrilled. Not at all thrilled. Good God. Yeah, rotate. Do what you want. Tragic. Alright, so that's what I'm doing today. This is Pulmuon from South Korea. This one's packaged for the US market, obviously. This is their crab ramen. It's a non-fried noodle. Sounds good to me. Yeah. So that'll be what happens next tomorrow on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. It's been Hollis, the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, really helps me out. Have a good one, and bye-bye.